Hello po everyone, my name is Shaniqua Mikael L. Dueñas and I will be your humble narrator for today's video. This video will be about our TLE report and how we will have to explain everything from first to third grading. So before we could start, I would like to say sorry because magtataglish po ako sa video na ito. At pasensya na po kasi hindi po ako sanay, kaya sana maintindihan nyo na yung boses ko ay hindi talaga para sa pang-voice over. Kaya pasensya na talaga in advance. I hope you understand and I will be grateful. So before we could start, I would like to introduce my partners or group mates that I have in my TLE report. So, I will introduce them one by one and I will definitely show a picture sa kanilang mga mukha para makilala niyo sila ng maigi. At after that, mag-introduce rin kami as our future dream jobs or sa mga pangarap naming trabaho na gusto naming maabot sa kinabukasan. So, I hope you will enjoy our video. So now, let's move on to where mag-introduce kami as our future dream jobs.
My name is Evan Palit. I am geologist. My name is Geo Taylor Nag. I am Philippine Coast Guard. My name is Ryan Sarting. I am Marine Engineering. My name is Raymond Picunyato. I am a Coast Guard.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shaniqua L. Dueñas, your lovely digital artist online who is now working on abroad.
Good morning, class. Hello, students. I am your Miss Professor Balbarino.
Now that we're done introducing ourselves, we would like to move on to our first lesson in the first grading. Our lesson will be Microsoft Excel, so I hope you will enjoy our explanation. Also, I will be sorry about the voices because medyo mahihina mga boses nila. So, paki-turn on na lang yung mga volume kasi wala na akong magawa sa pag-edit. So, I hope you will understand because hindi namin ma-explain ng maigi yung iba. So, thank you for understanding.
Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software whether used for data analysis, calculation, and visualization. So, ganyan Microsoft Excel, pwede ka din mag-gather information, mag-visualize, o mag-calculate. So, ganyan si Jamaris Janisora sa Microsoft Excel.
So before we can proceed, since hindi nyo makita ng maigi yung picture na ipinakita ni Linel, ito po yung clear view. Ito po yung Microsoft Excel na app and ito po yung mukha niya or itsura niya kapag ginagamit mo siya. So now that we're done, let's continue our lesson with Linel.
Pivot tables are a versatile and essential tool in Excel for summarizing and analyzing large data sets. They allow users to transform rows of data into meaningful insights, making complex and data analysis more manageable. A pivot table is an interactive way to quickly summarize large amounts of data. So, ganang pivot table, kasi dito ka, pamaagi para makadali kang summarize mga dagong amount of data.
Now that Linel is done explaining her part, let's move on to Melka's explanation.
How to create a pivot table from a dataset. First, select any cell in the source data table. Second, on the ribbon, click the Insert tab. 3. In the tables group, click the Recommend Pivot Tables. 4. In the Recommend Pivot Tables window, scroll down the list to see the suggested layouts. Then 5. Click on the layout to see a large view. 6. Click on the layout that you want to use. How to create a pivot table from a dataset. Una, mag-select mo log in cell in the source data table. Ibali, magpili ka dito sa data table, mag-click ka mag isa or see a large view. Click on the layout that you want to use, then click OK. The file list has a file section in which you pick the files you want to show in your pivot table, and the area section at the bottom in which you can arrange those files you want, then pick the layout you want. Sige bali sa file list na dito ang section in which you pick the files. Di ba magpili ka dito gusto din mo makita in your pivot table. This is a file section in which you pick the files you want to show in your pivot table, and the area section at the bottom in which you can arrange those files you want, then pick the layout you want. For example,
So once again, I will show a clear view photo of what Milka showed us. Okay, so now that we're done, let's continue with Milka's lesson.
money ang ijang data, then click ra ka og isa, and then imo dadong at the bottom in which you can arrange. Imo dadong i-arrange to, for example, date, kibali, imong isunod-sunod.
Now let's move on to data preparation, where it will be explained by Ervin Palin.
For organizing and cleaning data before creating a pivot table. Kani ka pinakamaadong pamaagi sa pag-organize o pag-clean sa data addition maging pivot table. Step 1, check source of data. Step 2, set a goal. Step 3, think about the layout.
The rest of the explanation will be explained by the boys in our group.
Handling missing data and duplicates to simply remove them from the data set. This can be done by either removing all rows of data that contain missing that data or imputing the missing data. Imputing is we replace the missing data. Ang imputing imong alistan ang nangawaya na data.
Grouping data by date, number, ranges, or custom criteria to quickly see how different factors are affecting your data. Creating calculated fields to perform custom calculation within the pivot table. Using external data sources such as databases or online sources in pivot table.
So that's all the explanation we have for the first grading report we represented in the video. Next, we will move on to the second grading report, where we will all explain more about the computer system. And here we have our first reporter, Ervin Palin.
A mouse is a small device that a computer user pushes across a disk surface in order to point to a place on a display screen and to select one or more actions to take from the position. Ang mouse isa man gamay device o aparato na gamiton lang to o pagpili sa naka-display sa screen or pag-islit sa mga position ng buwan to. Keyboard, a panel of keys used for putting information, including letters, words, and numbers into your computer. Ang keyboard sa panel na gamiton sa pag-type o pagpupuntan sa mga letters, numbers, words, o para pagpupuntan sa mga information.
Next, let's move on to the next reporter, Ryan and Roy Iman.
The set of instructions that guides the hardware to operate effectively, also called program software, can be split into two types. Software ay ang mga nagtuturo ng gumagabay sa hardware upang gumana ang epektibo tinatawag na ating isang program. Software ay maaaring hatiin sa dalawang uri.
System software. Any software required to support the production or execution of application program, but which is not specific to any particular application. Two types of software. First, system software. System software any software required to support the production or execution of application programs, but which is not specific in a particular application. Kaya ko lang system software. Kinahanglan ko lang akong suportahan ang production o pagpatupad ng mga program ng application. Ngunit hindi particular sa anumang particular na application ng operation ng application.
Next, let's move on to the next explanation by Melka.
Two types of software. Second, application software. Application software designed to help the user to perform singular or multiple or related tasks. Ang application software kuno dinisenyo upang matulungan ang gumagamit upang magsagawa ng isahan o maramihang o kaugnay ng mga gawain.
The next reporter is Shaniqua Dueñas, or in other words, me.
Let's move on to peopleware. Peopleware is also part of system software. Peopleware refers to people involved in data processing operations such as the system administrator, office workers, students, and others.
So, ang peopleware ko na mo ang mga tao mo himo og data sa maagi paggamit sa computer. O pwede po sila apil na ng mga estudyante, mga teacher para maghimo og mga both data.
Next reporter, we have Linel Pihana.
Cleaning tools having the appropriate cleaning is essential in cleaning or repairing computer's components. Examples: lead-free glue, compressed air, cable ties, and parts organizers. Lead-free glue used to clean different computers components without scratching or leaving debris. So gigamit mo dyan para pagkakas sa mga computer na dili ka pwede magbinid og mga scratch or lain pang mga hugaw. Compressed air used to blow dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components. So gigamit mo dyan, pang Windows computer, pero dili mo dyan pwede hikapon. So hino na dyan pamaagi sa pagsujog sa hangin ay pagsujog sa gigamit mo dyan para panghino mo sa computer, pero sujog mo din dyan ang mga hugaw gikan sa nagkaranglaing components sa computer. Cable ties used to bundle cable neatly inside and outside of computer. So kanina siya gigamit mo dyan para pang-plaster sa sulod o sa gawas ng mga computer. Parts organizers used to hold screw, fastener, and other small parts and preventing getting mixed together. So kanina siya gigamit mo dyan para dili magkalo-halo ng mga gagmay nga mga tools sa computer.
But not the least, ito po si Kuya Gio as the last reporter for the second grading report.
Kining sa software, gamiton is edit sa print of
pag-save sa documents.
So that was all for the second grading report. I hope you all understood what we said because we don't, and I am definitely disappointed about it, but we tried our best. So after this, we will move on to the third grading, the last report we will have this video. This report in the third grading will be about the applications we discussed, and it's all about Shopee, Facebook, Lazada, and many more. Please listen carefully because our voices are low. And And the quality of this video might be very low as well, and I apologize for it. Kasi hindi namin alam, some of the videos kasi is na-download ko lang sa Messenger dahil out of storage ako pag mag-share it ako. Kaya doon lang ako sa Messenger. At saka may data rin naman ako, kaya okay lang para sa akin. Kaya hala, sige, let's go. Let's move on to the next report. This report will be led by Milka Balbarino. She will report about informations and maybe history about Shopee. I will also add pictures of the site just to make sure you will know what type of app they are discussing about.
Information about Shopee. Shopee is a Singaporean e-commerce platform headquartered under the C Group, which was founded in 2009 by Forrest Lee. In February 2015, Shopee launched in Singapore as a mobile-centric marketplace where users can browse, shop, and sell products. The asset-light platform is integrated with logistical and payment support and claims to make online shopping easy and secure for both buyers and sellers. An entirely new mobile global marketplace in the Philippines, where the model for Filipinos is real because they can now find quick, convenient, and much more safe option for their shopping habits. Shopee, a free app lets users buy and sell on their mobile devices. Online shopping Philippines was made easy with Shopee. That lets you shop online from the brands you know while discovering new shop and sellers. Find daily essentials on Shopee Supermarket or browse an extensive selection of products from categories including health and beauty, electronic, fashion, home and living, baby toys, and more. It has also conquered the majority of Southeast Asia, becoming a huge player in Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and Philippines, and even as far as Taiwan and Brazil. As of 2021, Shopee considered the largest e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia with 3.3 million monthly visitors. It also serves consumers and sellers across countries in East Asia and Latin America who wish to purchase and sell their goods online.
Next report will be about the app called TikTok, and it will be reported by Rory Iman Cunyato.
2016 version of TikTok design. In 2017, ByteDance began expanding Douyin outside of China under the name TikTok. Later that year, ByteDance acquired Musical.ly, a similar short-form video app based in Shanghai with US office in Santa Monica, California. Musical.ly let users record clips, sing videos, and it had an established user base in the United States. ByteDance folded some of Musical.ly's features into TikTok and used the acquisitions to expand the app's reach to include the US. Katong TikTok 2016 kono dito ko nagsugod. Noong 2017 sinimulan ng ByteDance na palawakin ang Douyin sa labas ng China sa ilalim ng pangalang TikTok. Sa huling bahagi ng taong iyon, nakuha ng ByteDance ang Musical.ly, isang katulad na short-form na video app na nakabase sa Shanghai na may opisina sa US sa Santa Monica, California. Hinayaan ng Musical.ly ang mga user na mag-record ng mga lip syncing na video at mayroong itong inatag na user base sa United States. Inopen ng ByteDance ang ilang sa mga feature ng Musical.ly sa TikTok at ginamit ang pagkuha para palawakin ang abot na app para isama ang US.
The next information will be about Facebook, and it will be reported by me.
Information about Facebook. Facebook is a social network website where users can post comments, share student at a college. It wasn't until 2006 Facebook opened to anyone 13 years or older and took off, rapidly overtaking MySpace as the most popular social network in the world. Facebook's success can be attributed to its ability to appeal to both people and businesses and its ability to interact with sites around the web by providing a single login and works across multiple sites. And for translation, Facebook is an app, anang application sa na mga tao mo gamit para mag-post, mag-comments, or mag-share about silang kinabuhi. Pwede ka mag-vlog, pwede mag-post sa YouTube, pwede mag-post ng video for fun or for just boredom. Kung ganahan ka makuhaan sa Facebook, mag-login and dapat po ka 13 above para makagamit ini unja makasabot sa mga post about sa imong friends kaya di makahanap ko ka friends diri sa Facebook.
Next naman ay tungkol sa YouTube, and it will be reported by Ryan Sarti.
YouTube in America online video sharing platform owned by Google, accessible worldwide. It was launched on February 14, 2005 by Steve Chen, Chad Halley, and Haji Green. Therefore, employees of people headquarters in San Bruno, California, United States. It was second most visited website in the world after Google. Search YouTube has more than 2.5 million monthly users. Ang YouTube ay isang American online on platform na nagbabahagi ng video na mag-aari ng Google. Magagamit ng buong mundo. Ito ay inilusad noong Pebrero 14, 2005 ni na Steve Chen, Chad Hurley at Howard Krim. 300 empleyado ng PayPal na ka-headquarters sa San Bruno, California, United States. Ito ang pangalawang binibisitang website sa buong mundo. Pagkatapos ng Google search, ang YouTube ay may higit sa 2.5 million gunawang users.
Information about Lazada. Lazada is an online marketplace and e-commerce platform. Lazada operates in several countries including Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam, and few other countries. Lazada was founded in 2012 by Rapid Internet. In 2016, Alibaba Group acquired and controlled its stake in Lazada and became its majority owner. The platform allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell products online, covering a wide range of categories. The platform allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell products online, covering a wide range of categories such as electronics, fashion, home appliances, health and beauty products, and many more. It provides customers with a convenient way to shop from a variety of sellers and offers multiple payment options and delivery service. Next, Lazada is known for its major sales events such as the annual Lazada 11/11 sale and Lazada 12/12 sale, which offer significant discounts and deals on a wide range of products. So, galing Lazada na ilan sa dyan tumasin sa mga events nga pagbalit sa mga kasikasing products. Dili na sa Lazada is known for its major sales events such as the annual Lazada 11/11 sale and Lazada 12/12 sale, which offer significant discounts and deals on a wide range of products. So, kani Lazada na ilang isjatong sa mga events nga pagbaligya sa mga klase-klase ng products, dili sa atong bansa kundi sa buong bansa.
And yun lang po lahat ang report namin tungkol sa TLE Group from 1st to 3rd grading. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this helps you from your future activities.
Dali. I'm
Ano ba yung picture sila? Magpananay ko.
I'm Lord.
My name is Gio Telendag. My name is Gio Telendag. My name is Gio Telendag.
My name is Raymond Picunyato. My name is Raymond Picunyato. I am a Coast Guard. I am Abogado Martin.
My name is Gio Telendag. I am Philippine Coast Guard.
Ginayay, Ray, for teacher.
My name is Ryan Sarting. I am marine engineer.
My name is Evan Devil Atsaga Palin. I am geologist. My name is Evan Devil Palin. I am geologist.
Na-play na naman ako, na-play na.
Ano bang intro? Ano po yung sinilbi? Ingon pa tembo kaya ngayon ka. Anak.
Hello student, I am your professor. Hello student, I am your math professor. Gaya na rin, click. Hello students, I am your math professor Balbarino.
Contain missing data or imputing the missing data. Ang kaning replace imong alis na ang nangoy ang data. Imputing is missing data. Ang kaning imputing imong alistan ang nangawaya na data.
Data by date, number, ranges. Grouping data by date, number, range. Grouping data by date, number, ranges, or custom criteria. See how different factors are affecting data. Abbreviation. This practice or practices for organizing. Ano to?
Best practices for
Data preparation. Best practices for organizing and cleaning data before creating pivot table. Kaya sama ko na pinakagana pamaagi sa pag-organize cleaning data before mag-imog pivot table. Best Buy daily essential at Shopee, supermarket or blooms and extend of
Dili gold.
Buy daily
Ali, medyo pa ikaw ra kay